Hi everybody, my name is Dr. Cary Gans, and remember, a brighter smile is only a phone call away. Let's talk a little bit about how you can obtain that smile that you've always wanted. Okay, so is it now your turn? Now what do I mean by that? Have you waited to have the smile you have always wanted and deserved? And have you put your kid through college? Is your mortgage paid? Are you now retired and it's a time for you to go ahead and take care of yourself the way you've always wanted to take care of yourself, but just not have had the time or the finances to do it? Are you now looking for a new job and need to look your best in order to get that job? Or has your life taken a different turn and you just want to have a truly great smile? Ask yourself, is it just your turn? Remember, it's your choice whether you frown or smile. There's no excuse today to be ashamed of your smile. Cosmetic dentistry is both affordable, accessible, and invisible. You need to select the right dentist for the right reasons, and you need to do it today. You've got to turn that frown into a smile. Well, there are several ways to do this. One of the simplest ways are veneers, or what's known today as lumineers. These very thin cosmetic coverings can correct chips, rotations, spaces, discolorations, and much, much more. It can happen as little as 2 visits, so it's not a lot of time out of work or away from your family. Sometimes it can be done with or without local anesthetic. Depending on the procedure you're having done, whether it's veneers or no prep lumineers, you may not even need temporization. Wow, look at the results you can get. Now when it comes to implant dentistry, we've gone a long way. Just realize that you never have to wear a denture ever again. That goes for a full denture and a partial denture. If you want to throw them in the garbage, there's a dentist that can take care of it for you. We'll even take it and throw it in the garbage for you. You can have from a single tooth to an entire mouth replaced. Predictably, we've done this for over 30 years. Now let's hear it straight, as they say, from the horse's mouth. Hold it. Okay, Al, so tell me, now that it's been how many years?
Oh, probably better part of 2 years
Okay,
here.
so
Between the bottoms and the tops.
Was it worth it?
Absolutely.
Because you told me just now, what did you have for dinner last night?
I went out and had a big, juicy steak, and it was such a pleasure to sit there and chew on both sides with no problem.
So, in all seriousness, because I have several patients who need to go through this kind of dentistry, and certainly you've been through it all. Now that it's 2 years later, would you have done it all over again?
Yes, absolutely, yes. I would have done it over. The only thing that it is kind of frustrating in the middle, it seems like it's going on for eternity, but you know, when you reach the end, you feel like you're born again, really.
Well, I got to tell you, I thank you, because it is a long deal, and it's tough stuff. It just is tough stuff. And I thank you for being a great patient and a good friend.
Well, thank you for being a great doctor and taking such good care of me. And your staff, by the way. Excellent staff.
Well, thank you. And this, you may find this on YouTube. Take care. Have a great vacation.
Well, thank you very much.
Well, you just heard it straight from the horse's mouth. You can tell that there's no more sincere form of flattery than when you hear someone like Al say thank you. Now, you can get all of this done at the Dental Spa at Garden City. Our office is located just outside of Manhattan. We're off the nearest train station. You can fly into LaGuardia Airport or Kennedy Airport. We'll be happy to pick you up and take care of your needs. You can take a little look at what we can do at our Gans Dental website. You can see them on the bottom. Our main website is gansdental.com. If you have a dental emergency and you just can't find your dentist in time, take a look at 911 Dental Online. We've put a lot of the answers to dental questions and dental emergencies there for your help. So thanks for listening, and don't forget that a smile is just one phone call away.